video, we are going to look at a question from GATE 2019 Metallurgy paper. For this question, we are going to use the NPTEL video Welding Application and Technology Lecture 17 Welding Induced Distortion by Dr. Pankaj Biswas as a reference video. The question is as follows. Two blocks of the same metal are to be welded. The configuration that will undergo the least distortion after welding is what we need to find. So getting on into the answer, we have four different configurations where all these four are V-groove configurations, where the first two are a single groove, the second two are the double V-groove configurations. In this V-groove configurations, we have to find the one which will have the least distortion. So to choose it, we have to keep in mind that there are some important rules such that we have to be sure that the amount of material which we are going to melt should be very low. And the second one is that the space to transfer the heat due to melting should also be high. In this case, between these two configurations, it is these both are very wide, which has a concave configuration, and there is going to be more melting, which will result in more amount of distortion. And between these two, the melting is going to be less, but in the double V-groove configuration, the space for the heat transfer is going to be large. And it is like first the melting will start here and the heat transfer will happen, and then it move towards the end and the heat transfer is going to happen. So the option D is going to have the least distortion. So option D is the correct answer.